Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Accessibility Checker Chrome extension. This extension help you find accessibility issues on website so you can make your web pages easier for everyone to use. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar you can search for Accessibility Checker, then tap to enter. Here you will see the first one is Site Improve Accessibility Checker. Then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon, mark it as pin. Now go to any website. We will firstly go to this website, then click on the extension icon. Here you will see please sign up here. If you don't want to sign up, you can skip form. Now the extension is ready to use. Click on the extension. Here you will see it will detect issues for you, like 7 issues. Interactive element does not meet enhanced size. Click on the issue to view the detail. Go back, see the other issues. Text not included in area landmark. You can see all the issues, and if the website is yours, you can edit in the backend. So we will check the accessibility for other website also, like this website. Now in this website you will see the issues. It will like headings are not structured, interactive element does not meet, links are not clearly identifiable, color contrast does not meet enhanced requirement. All the issues you can see in the single tab. You can click on the issue to see the proper details of the issue, like this have 5 pages. Then you can go to backend and improve the your site and fix the issues. That's it. Now you know how to use the accessibility checker Chrome extension to identify the and fix accessibility on website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorial. Thanks for watching.